What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabian, where T-Bad stands for tasty, beautiful, and affordable dishes. Everything we have on my channel is definitely going to be budget friendly. We also do dessert tutorials and cute puppy videos, educational wise, of how my dog's been growing since she was 7 weeks and now she's 20 weeks. So definitely go down and check out the other videos I have. I know you'll like it. Today we have a great dish. It's a lot healthier for you, especially for breakfast time. We're going to be doing a basil, pesto, tomato, avocado toast with toasted Asiago cheese. This is a great morning dish. My boyfriend's from California. This is a traditional appetizer, but I like eating it at breakfast. It makes me filled, and it definitely doesn't make me feel like crap during the day. So it's easy to make, and it's so fresh, and it's so fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers, and everyone show me love by clicking on my videos, hitting like, and subscribing. So if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, that notification bell, so anytime I submit a video, it sends you out a link, and you can definitely watch and have fun watching my favorite videos. Other than that, thank you again for watching, and welcome to the T-Bad channel. Alright guys, and there you have it. Basil, pesto, tomato, avocado toast with Asiago cheese. This is so fun to make and so easy and refreshing. Alright, let's try this. Oh my god, wow. Well, alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is very fun to make and very refreshing. This is the T-Bad channel. My name's Fabian. Until next time, bye.